CVT with Stronach and AWD. You win. Oh yeah. You don't have to worry about depreciation on this handsome 2009 Nissan Murano. The guy before you got it all. What a guy. When H20 starts showing up in the weather forecast, you'll appreciate the AWD power delivery that helps you take control of the elements.